Okay, welcome to step 2 of our Unit 1 extension. So as you read through this, the first thing he says you need to do is you need to create your own question, kind of like how in my survey. And then I'm going to show you how to create your own form, so that way the rest of the class can take your survey. So I'm going to click here on my page, because you're never going to edit these top pages up here, because those are my directions. So you're going to go onto your page. You're going to click the edit button. Again, if you don't see the edit button, you're going to have to sign in down here. So click on the edit button, and then you just click into the page, and then you type out your question. So my question was, what is your favorite type of candy? Okay, so that's my question. Now I'm going to go ahead and hit save for now. And now I'm going to show you how to create your form. So you're going to have to think of this question. Remember, the question needs to give a word answer. Like if I asked, how many brothers and sisters do you have? That's going to give a number answer. So we want a categorical question that will result with a word or category answer. All right. Now to go on here, I'm going to go ahead and hit the plus button. I need a new page. I'm going to just do a search for forms, and you can do the same thing. The very first link that pops up is going to be this Google Forms link. That's what we need. Now, if you're not logged into Google Forms, it might make you log in. Go ahead and click on Go to Google Forms. I'm going to go kind of quickly. Remember, you can pause or rewind this video and do this along with me as well. At this point, you might have to log into Google, otherwise you might see that you're already logged in. So at this point, untitled form, I need to click in there and change it. What I would like you to do is use your last name, dash your first name, and then type survey. Okay, it's kind of nice if we all use the same thing. I know it still says untitled form up here. If you just tap on that, it will change and update for you. Then you just type into that first question. Okay, delete this. Now just type in your question. What is your favorite type of candy? Okay, now I want to make this not a multiple choice question, but I'm going to change it to a short answer question, so that way people can type in whatever they want. All right. I'm also going to click on this required button just to let people know that they do have to answer this question, otherwise I won't get the information that I need. And that's pretty much it. That's all it takes to really create a survey. There's other things you could click on, like these three little buttons here or things over here, but that's it. Just a basic survey. This is all we need. So I'm going to click on this little eyeball icon. That's going to take me to my live survey. So this is what it looks like. Now I'm going to go ahead and grab this link up here because I'm going to need that. Okay, so I need to go in and select all and then copy. Okay, and then at this point what I need to do is go back to my fractions website. Okay, because I want to use this link and paste it in here. So I'm going to hit the edit button. All right. Now, I don't want to paste that big, ugly URL link in here. I want to make it nice and neat. So I'm going to go ahead and type CRAT survey. Okay, now I'm going to highlight those words by selecting it and dragging that over. Okay, I'm going to leave that selected. Then I got to scroll up, and you see this chain link right here. That's what I need to hit to create my hyperlink. And then over here, I got to click on web address. Again, remember, you can pause this video and watch it as many times as you need to. Now I go ahead and paste it. So I tap in that box, then I click paste. Okay, and then I always like to check this box, open a new link, open in a new window, because it opens a new tab for me. So I'm going to hit OK. Now at this point, I'm going to hit save, and that lets me see my page. So right here, I can see my question. I can see the link. Now I'm going to test this link here real quick. So there, you know what? It worked. Great. So that way other people can see the survey and they can go ahead and type their answers in. So I'm going to go ahead and get rid of that page because I don't really need all the extra tabs up there. This page here, I could get rid of that one too now because it opened up a new page. Um, I think this page, yep, I don't need that one anymore either. All right, but I do need this one still. So we got to get the responses. We got to allow other people to be able to see the data. So I'm going to click on responses. Okay. So obviously it says that no one has taken my survey yet, which is fine. Um, what I want to do is I want to click on this little, this is a Google Sheets icon. I'm going to click on that. Now it's going to ask me a question. Do I want to create a new spreadsheet or do an existing one? I want to create a new one, and it actually names it for me already, so that's kind of nice. I'm going to hit create. All right, so now it just created it for me. I'm going to click on that little Google Sheets icon again, and it's actually going to open the Google Sheets app for me, and it's going to open right into my spreadsheet. So at this point, we're going to want to share this. So I click on the little Guy Plus button, and now what I want to do is I want to check out some of these buttons, and I want to turn on link sharing. So right now it says link sharing is off. I'm going to go ahead and click on that, and I just said that link sharing is on. It says anyone with the link at byron.k12.mn.us can view it. Um, so that should work for us. All right, and then so at that point, I'm going to want to grab the actual link. So in order to grab the link, I need to click on the little three buttons over there, and then I'm going to go down to share and export, and I need to click copy link to clipboard. Okay, and then down here it says link copied to clipboard. So at this point, I need to go back to Safari, click back onto the fractions website, click the edit button, and now what I want to do is type in CRAT results. Obviously, you're going to want to use your own name here, not my name. So I'm going to select this again. I'm going to kind of do like I did last time. I go up and grab the link, click on web address, okay, over here, web address, and now I'm going to paste in the link that I just copied to my clipboard. So this will be the link to my results. Once again, I'm going to check the open link in a new window box, hit OK, and I'm going to save my page. So now I have the link to my survey and the link to my results. I'm just going to test the results here quick just to make sure that works. So it forced open my Google Sheets app, and there we go. Okay, so I'm gonna have the time at what time the people took my survey and then the answers. I won't have any other information like names and things like that. Um, so there you go. We now have basically completed what it said to do for step 2. So if I click back up to step 2, all right, it wanted us to create a Google form and share the link to the results with us. We gave the question, we gave the form link, and the results link. I can go in and check that by clicking on my name, and there we go. So there's my question, and there's the 2 links that I need. So I just completed step 2. One other thing you're going to want to do here that I forgot to tell you before is if you click back on the CRAT survey or your survey link, this little pencil here allows you, when it's your own survey, it allows you to edit it. I'm going to need you to do that here real quick. There's one more thing I need you to change. This gear icon up near the top. if we click on that, where it says restrict to Byron Public Schools users, we probably just want to uncheck that just to make sure that everyone can get the link just fine. And then we'll click save. If anything else, so I don't want any of these boxes checked. If anything else is checked, you want to uncheck it, then hit save. You don't need to do anything else. We don't need to fix the link or anything like that. That should take care of it for us.